Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. It is time for crafting therapy. Plus, we are on the downside of our Christmas planner, junk journal, December daily kind of mashup that we're creating in preparation for the season. July is almost over, so make sure you enter the July 1st video. Go to the July 1st video to enter the Christmas and July giveaway. We've been working on this journal planner. It has all the planner pages that are free on my website in there, and then it has some page layouts that we were working on because I'm part of the Base Pages PT hashtag Paper Terrace collab, and I've been using the inspiration from all the different designers and creators to add to these pages. So tomorrow is supposed to be tagged, so I may go ahead and do that, but I also want to incorporate some more of the page inspiration for this to show you how to do some of those. So there's still several left, and we've done 8. And that has been super fun. So this has been a really fun project, and I hope that you're prepared for the Christmas season, because when we jump into August, we're going to be finishing the summer strong. We're going to finish up some beach journals for your travel, for your vacation, to put all your pictures and everything in there and just do some fun things. So then we're going to lead into fall, and it's going to be a great rest of the year. So today's video, though, is we're going to make a snippet roll to go into our journal. And if you haven't made a snippet roll, it's really easy. And it is just basically taking a roll of fabric or paper and accenting it however you want with embellishments, ephemera, lace, buttons, whatever you want to put on it. And then you can snip parts of it out to accent and embellish your pages in your junk journals. And you can make it for anything that you want to, but we're going to go Christmas because we're working on this series. And you know, you can roll it up and save it for the next time you want to use it. It can really accent your pages on the sides and everything too, if you want to use it like that. And you know, you don't even have to embellish much more because it's so beautiful. So that's what we're going to do today. We're at Crafting Therapy 103. What is Crafting Therapy? It is just a time for you to re-energize, get inspired, take a little me time, craft a little bit, just kind of shut out everything else and de-stress. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. Then jump in with me. Thanks. First, you have to determine if your snippet roll is going to be a fabric base or a paper base. I'm going to use fabric. I just like the way that it looks, and I'll show you here in my altered book journal some places where I put a snippet roll, like there. And then let's see here. So you can really add a lot to it. It looks so beautiful, and you can use it in so many ways. And you can snip little pieces of it off. And so you do all the work, and then you just are ready when you're ready to do it. So I was trying to decide for this journal particularly which I would like to go on the inside. So I don't think that one. And I know mixing plaids might not be good, but I'm thinking this might be not the same style, so it's a little more whimsical. So I think I might go with the candy cane, and then that way I can accent it how I want and make it go with the theme. So this is from Dollar Tree, and it's just something that I had picked up in the past. So if you know, I save these. When I find them, I get them, and then when I'm ready to use them, I have them, because it's hard to find them, actually, sometimes when you want a certain thing. Generally, snippet rolls are approximately the size of rolled fabric. If you've ever bought rolls already cut, you can buy them at Dollar Tree too, but you might not get the colors that you want. And then you can buy them at the fabric store as well. They use them for quilting and that kind of thing. Is awesome. So this is 2.5 inches wide, and I cut a double so that I could actually have a longer roll. And I'm just going to glue it together, and it will hold just fine. Now you could sew if you want to sew, but I have a lot of folks that follow my channel that don't have sewing machines. So we're going to go with glue today. All right, so basically you have a long strip of fabric or paper, and you're just going to start embellishing. And you can start at the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. And I am just going to start adding some fun pieces to this to embellish it and make it look Christmassy. And so I'm just going to take, how about let's just take a little piece of lace first. And we'll just add that to this side here. And you'll see as you go, just anything goes, just whatever you want to add. Now, if you have any questions about, well, can I add this? Can I add that? Please post them in the comments below. I would love to get your questions and see what it is that you are interested in adding to your snippet rolls. So this is actually a sticker, but I don't want to rely on the stickiness of that piece. So we're going to add this up here and just add it. Now that will add some bulk to my page, but that's okay. And then I'm just going to add some ephemera, some different laces, some different things that would look cute, like for instance this. And if you want to ink everything, you can do that too. But I'm liberal with my glue. And you can see you just add whatever it is that you would like to add. So let's take a look at what I came up with. And you can always embellish more and just cut the little pieces off where you'd like, however long you'd like them to be for each page. And it's just a snippet roll. And once you're done, you can roll it up, let it dry completely, roll it up, and use it to embellish your pages. So just like I did on these particular, like, totally different look, but you can just embellish the whole page with it. So depending on your theme and how you want it to look. So like that's just a little snippet of it put there. Then there's this one. And so this would be the same for maybe a page in this planner. So if you wanted to take a little snippet of it and just cut it off at a certain point and add it to your page, it just embellishes the whole page. And then, like I said, snip off what you want, add it to your page, and then roll it up for later. Now mine's still wet, but you would just roll it up, set it aside. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this snippet roll tutorial, and your trivia question for the day. Almost let it go. We've got to have a trivia question. All right. Let's see. Here we go. The holiday Festivus, a holiday for the rest of us, came from this TV sitcom. What's your answer? It will be posted on the next slide. Join me. We're almost to the end. We will do some tags, but then we'll also be adding some more page layouts and a flip through later. So thanks so much for watching.